John Bedini made a living energy devices from the 80s until 2016. He had a company and famous associates. They operated until 2019, when most of the work stopped. After his death, many advanced batteries were born, which were batteries with high ampere-hour ratings and extremely high capacities. John Bedini's technology could use these advanced batteries, but unfortunately the free energy movement went downhill after the advent of advanced batteries. The decline of the free energy movement was because John Bedini and many other free energy scientists stopped at such work, and the internet had algorithms that held back the development of technology in the media. According to experts, John Bedini's generator with a battery charging pulse mechanism is enough to power the house. The important thing is whether there is a good battery to receive the cold electricity pulse or not. Since the 80s, John Bedini and many other experts, along with his associates, have pointed out battery solutions. They have done it, but it is still a secret for Bedini's company to operate. According to the historical plot of the world of Tartaria and the investigation of advanced technology in the world, there is a very high possibility that John Bedini knows more than what he shares. Because John Bedini is actually in the same faction of divine science, that is, in the faction of divine authority in the world's ruling ranks. The other faction of the world's ruling ranks is the secular faction that creates secular education. They fight like a war because of internal affairs. The advanced technology investigated here is John Keely's ether technology, which includes many secrets about the nature of matter, non-physical phenomena, consciousness and the nature of reality. With John Keely's technology, there is a concept called etheric, which is the highest state of luminous ether. And many other concepts that Tesla's ether theories and other scientists rarely mention, or mention at a basic level. Today, after 2019, although it is a recession in free energy, few people believe in and share free energy technology, but we can completely reuse old technology with seriousness when considering and improving technology. John Bedini's technology with a self-running generator can be enough to power a house, that is, create a 5,000 watt power source from the battery, if there is a battery solution. There is another solution that does not use batteries, that is, use bifilar coils to store electricity, or polarized capacitors to store it, then convert it further for use. For electrical experts, they do not even need batteries and inverters to create power from John Bedini's pulse charge battery technology. With Shoj, the battery is just a backup storage and also a way to let the generator rest. You can follow my instructions with instructions for making a pulse charge battery generator, based on many improved versions of John Bedini. To find the instructions, search for the keywords history and advanced technology in the old world, by John Keely and John Bedini or Off the Grid with Bedini's pulse charge battery generator.